Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and correctly assemble this treadmill. This one is the CitySports electric treadmill model number CSWP3. As you can see, the treadmill came very well packaged and we're going to go ahead and open it up and then assemble it. Inside you can see the treadmill is wrapped in clear plastic and tightly nestled in between some foam pieces. We'll go ahead and remove the plastic. And you'll notice that the treadmill is solid, yet it is easy enough for one person to lift. Along with the treadmill came this box of accessories. Inside we have a couple of Allen keys, a wrench, a small bottle of lubricant, and a safety lock. We also have the power cord and a couple of legs that we'll need to screw into the bottom of the treadmill. And I'm also glad to see there's a user manual with safety precautions, some installation instructions and assembly instructions, and then there's also some maintenance tips. And here's the remote control. It's a very simple one, only a power button and a plus and minus sign to control the speed. And then here's the tablet or phone stand that gets attached to the bar. So now we're going to go ahead and bring everything upstairs where the treadmill will go into one of the bedrooms. So now we have the treadmill up in the bedroom. It only required one strong person to bring the treadmill up, but that wasn't me. I just brought the box of accessories up. Anyhow, we're going to start by lifting the treadmill onto its side so we can screw in the two legs which go at the bottom of the treadmill towards the front, right underneath where the LED panel is located. And make sure you screw in both of the legs so you don't have a lopsided treadmill. And if your floors are uneven, there are actually 4 additional foot pads already inserted that you can adjust. Simply use your fingers to rotate them to lengthen or shorten them as necessary. To power the treadmill, the power cord is plugged into the front of the treadmill, but make sure your treadmill is close enough to the wall socket because the power cord is not very long. Otherwise, you want to connect the power cord to an extension cord. And next to the power outlet is the power button that you can switch on when you're ready. But before we power on the treadmill, we're going to go ahead and loosen the knobs on either side of the treadmill so we can bring the bar up. On each of the knobs, it tells you which direction to turn the knob to lock and unlock the bar. If you decide you don't want the bar while using the treadmill, you'll want to make sure the knobs are in the lock position. But if you're like me, you're going to want to unlock the knobs, which will then allow you to raise the bar up. You can then hold on to the bar while using the treadmill. Once the bar is raised up, you'll want to go back to the knobs and put them back into lock position. That way, the bar stays secure and won't fall down while you're using the treadmill. Now we're going to go ahead and insert the tablet stand at the top of the bar. And with that done, this treadmill is ready for use. In my next video, I'll demonstrate how to use the treadmill to get a good workout that fits your personal capabilities and needs.